In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for travel itinerary content fast and easy. Whether you're an aspiring travel blogger or simply planning your next vacation, utilizing Google Trends can help you identify popular travel trends and make well-informed content decisions. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Google. Type Google Trends in the search bar and hit Enter. Once the search results pop up, you'll want to click on the very first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage, where we'll begin our journey. Now that you're on the homepage, look for the Explore option and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Google Trends Explore lets you dig deep into various keywords and see how they perform over time. Imagine it as a pulse check for what's trending across different countries and categories. To get started with your travel content creation, think of some keywords you'd like to explore. It could be something like Paris itinerary, Thailand travel guide, best hikes in Colorado, or family-friendly trips in Europe. Don't be shy. Type those keywords into the search box and hit Enter. Once your interest in travel destinations or activities is keyed in, it's crucial to set the correct location and filters. Choose the country or region where your target audience is based, for example, the United States or the UK. Adjust the time range to the past 12 months or even the past 5 years if you wish to spot seasonal trends. And don't forget to select the travel category to ensure your results are as relevant as possible. Upon setting up your search parameters, you'll be able to analyze the interest over time graph. Keep an eye out for steady or rising interest trends, which signify destinations or activities worth considering for your content. Seasonal spikes are especially noteworthy because they could inform you on the best times to release specific content, like summer vacations or holiday trips, while declining trends might indicate waning interests. Beyond just the graph, Google Trends offers you insight into related topics and queries. By scrolling down, you can discover rising queries that indicate newly popular hotspots or trends that could provide fresh itinerary ideas. Established inquiries in the top section, conversely, reveal topics that maintain consistent interest and drive traffic all year long. Finally, to get a comparative outlook, click on the plus compare option. Add 2 to 5 destinations or themes you're curious about. This comparison will help you identify which locations or itinerary types command the most interest or show potential growth, allowing you to tailor your content strategy with precision. There you have it. A comprehensive yet straightforward method to leverage Google Trends for crafting compelling travel content. Harness these insights to stay ahead in the travel space and captivate your audience with trending itineraries.